inflate 11-inch balloons to about 7 inches. Just make duplets. Again, it will just depend on the size of your basket and your main balloon to how many of these you will need. I'm going to use about 80 11-inch and probably about 40 55-inch just for filling in. So now you just slide